On you guys, it's your girl Kimberly. So I want to share something with you guys. If you know anything about mums, you know that they have to be watered a lot. And if they're not watered a lot, this is what happens. The flowers actually die. But your plant is not completely dead, even though the actual flowers turn brown. And I'll show you why. When they turn brown, I mean, as long as you're still watering them, but they end up still turning brown, what you do is you just pull the brown pieces off, like so. Try not to break the whole leaf off, but just the brown tips of the mum, like this. You can even shake it, and sometimes if you shake it, they'll actually come off. And what you'll end up having is, once you get pretty much all of the dead brown flowers off, you will have basically just a green plant. Okay, so I want to show you the before and after. That was the before with the brown dead flowers on here. Then you'll see the green, nothing but plain green, and then the regrowth begins. You'll start to see these reforming and regrowing. And then you'll start to see them flower out like so. So keep it watered, but if you don't keep your mums watered, don't give up on them, because they still will grow. Just take the brown parts off, the tips, without breaking the entire stem. Don't break the entire stem. Just take the brown pieces off. See that one right there? Just taking that off. See all the green. And there's still hope for your plant, because I thought, oh my God, my plant is dead. But then I thought, oh, let me try just breaking the brown pieces off and the flowers that died, and see if that'll help with the regrowth. It does help. A lot of people buy mums from the stores, and they'll buy them when they're completely bloomed out, like the entire plant is bloomed, and then they'll stick it in the sun. Then they wonder why, even if they water it, why a week or two that the plant is basically dead, or the flowers are basically closing back up, and you don't see the flowers anymore. Well, because you didn't buy it in its process. You purchased it when it was fully developed. So it is best that when you buy mums, that you actually buy them when they have the little green buds on them like this, that are not completely flowered out. Don't try to go get them unless you're just buying them for show and you just want something, you know, for that moment, and you don't want to enjoy the process of watching them flower. Then you buy them when they're completely flowered out like this. Otherwise, try to pick mums when they're small and underdeveloped and the flowers have not blossomed out. Like you'll see the green tips on them like that. And then you can watch the process happen. So don't give up on your mums. Continue to water them, and they will grow. Flowering 101. All right, you guys, love you. And let me get back to watering my mums.